look a little different. Is there something different about me? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashlika. For those of you who don't know me, if you do, welcome back. It's so great to have you. Today we are going to be getting into this wig install. Eunice has come out with a new Air wig collection, and I'm so excited to show you guys the whole process of installing this wig. I definitely think that this wig is a game changer, so if you want to find out what makes this wig different from all the others, then make sure to keep on watching. Hey guys, so this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. I haven't customized it or anything, and I cannot. Oh my goodness, I've never worn like anything kinky curly. This is a new look for me. It's gonna take me a bit to get used to it. The first thing I thought when I put this on was how breathable this wig is. As soon as I put a wig on, normally it feels like there's something, like I can feel something on my head, but it's so breathable. Like I'm touching my scalp right now. The way that they've built this wig is so nice, but it's also really secure. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what the inside of the wig looks like. As you can see, there's a super breathable cap. They built the wig in a way that there's these like air gaps in each track so that you can actually allow air to get through. So it makes it super breathable for your scalp. And on top of that, it makes it super easy to reach your scalp with your fingers. Like as I was saying, I could literally scratch my scalp. It's so great the way that they've done this. I think this is a game changer. Like every wig company should start building their wigs like this because it just makes it so much more comfortable. It also feels very secure. No more of these like bra strap type of clips. I cannot stand those anymore. I'm so glad that Eunice decided to put this adjustable strap. Everything is secure, like it won't move. Let me know how are we liking the style. I'm thinking, do I want a middle part or side part? Because I might side part this hair as well. It's not like a 5x5 or like a whatever. It's not like a closure wig where you can only customize within a certain part of the wig. Y'all comment down below, do we like middle part or do we like side part? I'm feeling side part. Ooh, I think the side part is it. You guys let me know. Up close, this is what the scalp looks like. Up here it looks super natural in terms of how it's plucked right here, but I'm gonna want to pluck a bit more of the front just so that it doesn't look like there's just an immediate hairline. The sides are lifting, so if anything, I'd want some kind of mechanism to keep the sides down. But other than that, I feel like Diana Ross. I feel like Shaka Khan. Like, this is giving black excellence right now. I think kinky curly wigs are the way to go. Alright y'all, so I plucked the hair and moussed it a little bit. I put the hot comb on the front just so that it's easier to style and part. So now what I'm gonna do is put a wig grip. Eunice actually sent me this wig grip with one of the previous wigs that I installed. So I'm gonna try and put this under the wig, see if it'll help secure the sides a little bit. So I put the wig grip and it definitely helped a lot with the sides. So the front looks a lot better. It won't move. The sides, as you can see, are still lifting, but they're lifting a lot less than they were without the wig grip. Honestly, you could rock the hair like this. I love the side part. I love the side part for this hair. I think it totally works. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys the mousse method to deal with these side tabs. For this, all you're gonna need is some mousse. I'm gonna be using the Lotta Body mousse. Eunice's melting bands, they are my absolute favorite cannot recommend these enough, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna show you guys up close. You're gonna wanna take a section in front like this and tuck the rest behind your ears, just so that this tab is really sticking to the front. Then you're gonna wanna take some mousse to really pull the hair back. I'm just gonna start working that in. While I'm doing this, I'm pressing in to where the tab is. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna really pull these forward without ripping the lace, just to make sure that it would really like blend into my skin if it was laying flat. So now I'm just gonna put mousse directly on those parts. You gotta trust the process. And then we're gonna blow dry. It's not as perfect as it would be if it was glued down, but that looks pretty good to me. I put the mousse twice and this is the final result. I'm really happy with it. So now we're just gonna water and mousse the hair down until we get it to the desired texture. Alright guys, this is the final look. I love it when wigs make me feel like a new version of myself. New character unlocked. I am so happy with how this hair turned out. It looks absolutely stunning and the mousse technique worked so much better than I thought it would. Honestly, I was a bit skeptical at first, but it really did its thing. I want to say that using the wig grip really helped with this install. I think it really solidified the mousse technique. I'm going to leave the link for a wig grip in my description box. I think Eunice has some. If they don't, then I'll leave a link to one that you can find on Amazon. They're super inexpensive. Hey y'all, it's been a few days. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of how the hair has been after a few days, and I absolutely love it. People are loving this wig. I love that I can just take it off at the end of the night if I want to, but I love that I can also just like leave it on if I want. And when I wake up in the morning, even if I have a bonnet and it's bunched up or it's twisted or braided up or whatever, it's so easy to style it. I literally take it out, spritz some water or put some mousse, and like it's good to go. This is one of the most low maintenance but super good looking wigs. Like, she bad. And I absolutely love the fact that it's so close to my natural hair. If I lift it, you can kind of tell, like, you see my hair and you see like the wig. It's literally the same texture, and I'm obsessed with that. I feel like it makes me admire my own natural hair more, because I'm like, the same way that I take care of this wig is not that different from how I should be taking care of my natural hair, because they're very similar textures. I definitely recommend air wigs for every style all around, but this style specifically for us kinky curly girls, this is the one. This is the one. Thank you so much for watching this install. Let me know your favorite thing about this wig. Let me know if you're hoping to purchase this wig. I will have hair link below, and don't forget to use my code for some money off of this wig, because who doesn't love some money off? I hope you have a day as fabulous as this hair, and I will catch you guys in my next video. In the meantime, don't forget not to limit yourselves and be the best you that you can be. Bye. curly, curly girl.